This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and this is again a daily candlestick chart of the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500 that we've been tracking now. Last Wednesday, when I did the last Market Minute, the market had closed here. We had that rally. We came up to the neckline again. Here's your head and shoulders pattern here. They broke the neckline, came into support where I said we should get a rally into the neckline resistance now and see if that rolls over. And on Wednesday, I said the market had closed. If it broke Wednesday's low on Thursday, right, because the oscillator here had crossed its moving average, and that's a good sign that the market will get more follow through to the downside. So once they broke Wednesday's low on Thursday, that a target was the retest of the support here. Now here we are, Wednesday, the week following. The market is still open here, and we are starting to break down. Here's the next level support. I think we'll get there and test that, and we'll have to watch the oscillator here because the oscillator has made a low here. We're starting to make a lower low in price, but so far a higher low in the oscillator. So there may be some divergence setting up, which means this could be a turning point. This is the target here, again, right around 406 to 406.50 area for that head and shoulders pattern. That's a measured move, again, from the top of the head to the neckline. We measure that down, and that gives you a target on that head and shoulders pattern here. So if they break this level, the next target would be the final target on the head and shoulders pattern there. But we do have a big Fed announcement on interest rates coming next week on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Obviously, that will be a market mover, and a lot of times the market will begin to consolidate ahead of a Fed meeting, and so we could get some consolidation. Maybe we test the support here, and maybe the market starts consolidating into the end of the week, into early next week before the Fed meeting. And then the Fed meeting obviously can be fireworks. So we could get a reversal. We could have a move down to the target very quickly. We'll see. We're probably about 3 days worth of work to get down to that head and shoulders target there. So we'll see what we get. Expect again. I think if they do break today's low, we haven't closed yet, but whatever the low ends up being today on Wednesday, if that gets broken, we'll probably get a little more to the downside, retest this or test this for support here. If it can break below that, then like I said, that target is there. And then it might be interesting to look at the support level here in terms of potentially looking to be a buyer. So we shall see. Some of the big economic data points for next week. Again, on Wednesday, November 1st, the Fed's interest rate decision at 2 p.m. That will be a market mover. And then Friday, you've got average hourly earnings, non-farm payrolls is a big one, and ISM services PMI. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.